My name's Chansley.
My name's Emma, and we're doing the bread challenge.
You have to eat a piece of bread in 45 seconds with no drink. Ready? Set. Wait, hold on. Remember, it doesn't do it. Oh god, go!
And then?
Go! It's harder this time!
Whoa, everyone!
9 seconds!
We're trying to get out of disgusting.
Alright. We failed that challenge. I had this much left. And I'm gonna add that. We were close, but no cigar.